Hello furniture refinishing friends. Today's video is going to be jam-packed with how to do a paint wash on the top that's a very thin wood veneer, build a wood base, the right kind of primer to use when you're painting laminate, and so much more. This transformation will truly blow your mind. You won't want to miss a single bit of it. Let's get started. As you can see, there is some damage. Even though it's a Dixie dresser, it's not solid wood, and the veneer on the top is pretty thin as my patience these days. So we're gonna have to be careful sanding this thing, but I have faith. Okay, I have a vision for this. I think I'm gonna do a wood top and then put a wood base on this, like a modern DIY wife wood base on this would be cool. So I just have to say a prayer I don't break through the veneer. It's really thin. I'm gonna try a 120. This thing is full from last time. I need to get a proper dust collection system. I wasn't sure what primer I wanted to use today. Sticking to that like slippery surface. This one would be really good too. Ben shellac based primer, but I think I'm gonna go with water based. Sticks it is. Ooh, it's time to paint. I have this old Benjamin Moore Regal Select. As you guys know, I love storing old paint in mason jars. Like a cream wash, a paint wash on the top, and then do the cream color all over the body, and then of course with the modern base, this little peekaboo wood that I think will be a nice touch. This paint is old, guys. It doesn't smell bad. I normally do brush and roll, but I am just gonna roll today, I think. I need to get some stuff done. Let's go. Got a tortilla wrapper. When a bread bag is not available, I think somebody's been throwing away my bread bags. Gonna use a Whiz roller. Roll the tops and bottoms. I want to do a paint wash on the top of this and on the base that Brad built for it. They're a little bit different color woods. This one's got a little bit more pink to it, but I think it'll be close enough. For this paint wash, I'm just going to be using the same color that I used for the body, and then I'm just going to do like a half and half mixture, half paint, half water. Equal parts paint and water here. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe it away. I'll just brush it on and then wipe it away. So I'll just dip the paintbrush in there. Oh, looks kind of scary at first, right? But then when you wipe it away, it just leaves behind that stained look. Really brings out the grain. You guys have seen me use these knobs so many times. They're all over my house on my own furniture. I just really like them. They are, they're very heavy. Like there's some weight to this. I just really like them. I feel like they look so good with a variety of furniture. So let's see how they look on this. Oh yeah. I knew I was gonna love that. I just love that. Oh, it's so good. Brad's handiwork always coming in clutch for this base that we built. Check out the DIY wife tutorial for that. But let's take a look at the before. This thing needed a little bit of love, and now look at it. Stunning. The rug looks so beautiful. I'll make sure to link that. I love this dresser so much. I wish I could keep it. It is so on trend for right this moment. This thing looks like McGee Co. It's beautiful. So glad you guys stuck around until the end and followed along with this transformation video. It has been a real wild ride, but I'm so happy with the end product. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!